for good yet in a Samoa, one of iron. GMPC so foundation no watiti emebunu se wo ma wonom ensanu dwuma so aye mampani abedi che Dr. Laji Mamadu Baumia se abai no de kwanfoforo beboa memebunu empem adunu wonom anya dwuma so aye onumonya for atamels wasi wo boa emensu aya yiyire commended na eguafo abrim abotoi enunti wo ye ka kama edi ama wonom ye bowura mu wonsam foforo mu a Ghana Journalists Association President Enra Oko surprise visit ewo Emrache ebejefiemu ebika one opay yesin konwa jebre ne de abesomo se anopa no nsia bremu kasebo anopay wonyene ni amakrancha the source of mami premier ni me na mi giremu kontonkro akenkan kasebo yi ede amamu encha akra enu obi ekwanse ye ma afen wo be konto asosuku wono enko na no mu nsem apiepie de anyasem ketwa akyerechirefo bi ye bo wono so bo se afakwati kwan eji abatan ni arefo yi sika enam rakwan so se wo je enam so ma secretary of council of PTA Ora Raphael Gabson edi abetujo a wo kyerem se heads of school so awodo ma akoma akudu ba akono aban ayi o magyira nchen no ma wofo na ha wo no kra na deputy Minister of Education PRO Ora Ernesta Kosa enso de na no atumbi ya wo kyerechire mu se wo hwe ensam no se de tie ne de ekoro no a enye se bi aban ne gi wo kyerechire ni bi na teacher bi dwuma de afri nsam na mu se de obetumi agina enchen na hwehwemu no ankasa tumi acheche ne nsemu enam hwehwe ya aba beto dwa se sika twitwiri de ne niam a wono magigi bia enam emra kwan so no saa kyerechire foi ana se teacher si ebi ni Owura Selina anane afo akwa we headmistress wo Kumasi Girls Senior High Owura Natania Samoa head teacher Santiman Senior High Owura Andrews Boatin headmaster Kumasi Senior High Technical School Owura Kwadwo Obenya Pia headmaster Mansu Adubia Senior High wano so ejina mu bi womo maka Owura Daniel Bo Amaduku wano so eye headmaster Agrek Nzema Community Senior High Madam Gladys Safoa wano so headmistress in Kariye Senior High ene Owura Ampon Ahmed Omar wano so jinam ewo Collins Senior High Safoi ena sabre yabo wo so bo so majeje abata ni bisika se ye de koto choko ye de koto bookso ye de koto calculator ya enam emra kwanso na ye ntie penny pay ni kiremu
ne kwani nyamenim baasa no de ne kwa bi enim omo de bo ahofo a entwayi de di kan de ese nyina ati ase no se omaye etimu no mba na de adwuma aban through the Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service. Any equals this year, the ambassador meeting in Mubi. But Yenyanti, Charles, as Conference of Heads of Senior Secondary Schools. Omuko Jina, headmasters in the name of secondary and secondary schools in Ghana. And I buy a quadruple or Bankum say, prospectus, no, and say a son so, nay, no more being free. No man saw when you had to say in free, no, GDS, me free, a boy our form. Enti say, me buy admission. Now me aware, say, maybe normal list of items, very 20. And I say, my Bob. De ko do school no na me ko do school no mu a kwa na fa so nya sa no ma no de e be say enye school no enye no ma hihia ma say ade we obi wa ha to na ha koto no ha because school system na era na public schools no enye say ma wo kwan kwa say to no mo school no mu because the amount of conflict of interest a breach code of conduct of GS or staff of GS a breach code no enti say o ma aban ma wo kwan say onye ho adwuma na mo fa mfiche na mo ye ho adwuma say mo di suma say dwa e na sa de etiambra enti hwe eyi na o mo de aba na step aside na for now. But do all your prospectus no more model account. Also, you say, GS, the Abana say, in this one. Only do a model account. Our official letterhead, so no. The account was part of admission. And yet approved and sanctioned by GS. It is a walk or yes, I know Manoko Yawasima. We had this answer to one the for.
And Yangasam Kitua Kumasi, ya. Minyon could be on not in the back or baby. Was it bear sheet you are going to go soon to be school? Sukuata, dear Quadaba, watch check. Yes, 7.9. Eh, dear Badia. Will be any woman, will be any new Obevian. Samajimani so. Yet Wakasi Bono Eso. Na enra na nyasem keto akra. GNPC Foundation for na one mutete emebunu mako and pemiensa edu watch nine. Na wabwa wonma omenya ensa no djuma. Na djumadi no ase wo bra wo radro me kwasi edua. Wono nse ntwefo twetwe nkomo no se. No mbotae pa ne se nkobema emeburu mako anum. Enso enya ntete ne enso wo ko manim no a ena dodo no ayi wono nso firi mu. Na we yade a eba bebo papa tete ya ede ama wo no no na wo so etumi enya wo no nsa no adwuma.
I found more say yeah add value and I say yeah share and the final stage in the back after selection your mom will go through soft skills training say that show almost any one bookkeeping even how to attract some grants and loans on your own. Now we use so have the examination that I MDTI for and yes so what you happen through now and then any graduation say a certificate better on sa now fe the teacher pa no ube free ano na academia obetini e dey for start with duma na your friend startup tools they are showing sa to here omo ye messing omo ye carpentry omo ye tailoring dressmaker beautician.
Wey eyormonyafo edu a wobra enra na wo kire ni nsem no mu mampani abedi kire Dr. Laji Mamadou Baumia sirem seja tai otese bonhoma so presoro wedie katachi yi ene wo kire mu se aban enam wayi yeso se meburu empem aduonu wo mo madwuma ye ne mu empem wo hade wo mo se grant amum sika nkuma no de afiri wo mdwumadie awodo ase wo so wey beboa mo mankasa firi bibi ase na menya adwuma anye no wo mafrase na tumi aboa wo mne wo no mabusua Dr. Laji Mamadou Baumia cheche ni semu no se enzinjanson eni na bande esi na ni so betumi abokwampete beboa amaga na mabunu so enye dwuma ye dwumadie yi wo pa hontoma e wo sunyaye eno de asemu yi e de etumu.
At the demographics of this population, you will see that 73% of the population is below 35 years old. That is close to 23 million people out of the 31 million are youth. So when we are talking about 73% below 35 years old, you know that we have a big job to create more and more opportunities for the youth. So even though we have created 2.1 million, or we have recruited 2.1 million people into jobs, both by the public and the private sector, the work is not yet done. We have to do more.
We are here, no Kofi Be Japan. Ya oye chief executive officer Dima Wayi. Onu chire mu dwumadie ne botaye ntia wodeba.
My visits to these places were certainly not for fun. It was like I have been doing throughout the year, feel at first hand the workload of our energetic young men and women, vis-a-vis what they take home as wages for their hard work. Though not too good as it is the case all over, it provided me with enough evidence and justification why the business and employment Emra
Shebe Jani a wogina mu ma de che commended ne guafo abrim onmonyafo Samuel Atamels ena woka sei wo se wo boa ema nsu a eto ana atwa fa montreso e wo abotoi ye no wo commenda emensiri no mu no wo ye eka e de ama wonom wo de asemi to dwa wo bra wa ye baabi obesisi wonom ho etese wo shum e wo commenda edwam professor na anaje opoko ageman ya wo no ena wo prese wo bebo mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mama Chiri Domino, one or equal is the Jumediano Kama Panso, Ewo, the bread Jumediano was no, and here Papa Tamesi, H. Rich the Moon, said the NTA would do Jumedia by Ye was in check and assistem would this Jumedia be so Ewo, now a boy, ye, now I am Najing, Poquajiman, so you were back, yea, John will come be, Tina Wakakoya, so a Buana said Jumediano so Etimi Basso, on Munyan for Samuel Atamels.
Yeah, but the American with a young man, Cecil, Gonzalo, the Ukraine or Bernard, the same way now with two countries. Those who are MVP, Mrs. Tanazia, why you India, which you walk over the
Professor Nana Jane will poku Ajamai. And so Edna no to mubi, Edge Mubu Tayen and Iswadi Huntia, and I'm sworn now could this Eduma Sono, Edema addition. Nanama mafua wa mo komenda idwom enso eka kakra se maame na na che opoku ageman yesi oba nso wo mu ayenti His Excellency John Dramani mama said wo ye na fie ba ko no wanya ne saa no mfa ni nachi maame prekote matanta ya me osio omo ahosun ama be bia kutisa weje wo ma wo ko wuzinu ya ama ka John mama yes no papa ezi nyama mi ba san abaka yansa komenda mali yaso ya fanyanta mpa efura ya ma me kada wase o wuntu makanda weje ama yansa idimo asedam eza afura said ye bronya wono atwe ne tinti me dofo so unan enu kotodwe na unti mu twetwenwa eye 21st clinic e wona sesa okọ na akọkọja ya hwetwetwe kama ma nupanom na ahoto ye benom anom de bia so emwa eye mizo ene 5G ene ye de bi gu fie ne ye de bi so asom ya ho eye anu wa hye ne so eye 0246270221 no so wati bia agibi na aboa papa president demand central fon kabom koni wo wura abret kwabrajonfo enu awoko so private power mra shebe dwafiem eye central fo awogina wa gbo adwuma daada no wo koy ko hye wo no den ko hwese de omadwuma ne tie kachire omuso wo nyire wo mo ho no mo konkodin fam wa wo man no mo koya de bia da betumi di wo men yakoto asemu na mom no wo nyina anya adwe so wo be register e wo Ghana Journalists Association for yekuo no mu na tumi aboa me wo mu ya boro me so folai papa me send no text message kura ubi ami afieni kwabrajonfo yentie no
we are going to work together with you and improve the service condition of journalists as well as also work closely with all the press corps, not limited to only the parliamentary press corps, even the presidential press corps, other press corps we have, to make sure that at least you also get what is due you, make sure that your rights, freedom are not taken away from you, and also to ensure that you discharge your duty of work in an enabling and safety environment. And for that is why we have come here on the working day, let me say, not just a working day, but a day Parliament is sitting.
We work with Brajon President of Ghana Journalists Association. And Rakanashi District Court no Quasitina Yaka say, Bejo Niababa, wife friend Shalima Abiesi. Ya one of you was so ye pruni, Naso Ghana man your son no Babe Jinemu, Abet Slay and Yano, Yadoko Moon, and my money baby. Nesika rituni trisho Ghana sika free and pim adruno ne bra na ne nsam ne koso a wo mu kirechire mu ene ne kwadu a wodro de bia boro no papa a ene yama ni bedi na ne lawyer ni ana wo gina mu enso ede ma no no e kasai pa otembroafo a wodi adwuma no e tra aseni ni so na ka kire wono ma ye asem no hwehwe mu kwadu bofo ne se wo mu kwa ne tentem na hwehwe mu bia da e wo mu no wo mu famra no ma dika akọ ene ye ko hye wo mu so mu ko hwehwe mu no omra enra ya enom koko gina mu bro nya bosom ne da na etoso dubaako owura jame tonzua ya wono eye mranim ni ya wotwitwa ma baba awa no ene wokyem se ane be ni de na esafata se etumi de ma no sanse se ya kasa ekura no maami ni passport wo aye immigration Ghana immigration service for tinya de obetumi adwane akọ ba bia da ko ya Ghana fo mabunu ya ye ni ba bia akọ ene ekura ntabo atworo to akọ gina wo se buroni no a wono be kan sema kase abebo ya man no ene ye nya na de besi enso ebesi eno ya ma de bedie wo wie ye na lawyer Francis Javier Sesu enso de ne de kakra so e peace so
the court at least the person to bail. What happens is that the investigators are under a duty to go and inspect the properties or the homes of the sureties. That's what you do. So, assuming court is closed and the judges do not have a place, or the court does not have a place to keep the accused person, right? Then an investigator would then say that, well, they will take her and keep her in custody until those inspections are done. But under this circumstance, that's not what is happening. The bail has been granted, the sureties are around, and the sureties have actually properly so-called brought their ID cards and supplied same to the register of the court. The only thing...
Shalima ABSC. Ya wono ye bedroom ni ababa wa ye kasama afo. Edema new force. Enra ni bedi edema no ne mere nim ni. Francis Javier Sesu ena wo kasa ennom. Na ye gusuada ye kasa. Enra ye maame oswo ene wasla wo su akufu wo giremu mra che bedwafie na ene ya toto na no papa se si Vodafone wo man ne chefa wo mu 30% no ya sanso aton enam so me ebusa maami se wo mra me kire mu wan na ebusa na sami saudai mra che bedwani rock sickness da fiamakpo ene wo so manya ne ntie se wo man ne 30% wo mu no so ya ton maami wo so su akufu bra be kire mu ene wo be kire mu se ye nton 30% biada na 70% no a eye Vodafone for dia no ene wo maton enso ediama adwuma ko foforo eti so bi kase aton a nukura biada nim maami osla osu ekofo.
The government of Ghana has no plan of selling its 30% shareholding in Ghana Telecommunications Company Limited. Vodafone Ghana, which holds 70%, has transferred its stake to the Telecel Group in February 2023.
Vodafone for mum and Homatom 70% the Yama Telecel. February yemu. Nanu na aruna drisu bisane say yo any 70% no moton ye no ehu anoboa ne somsen maame watro usu akufuso ni onim ene waso bechirim utumi nye wasoafo na anka nkire esa asemi unim etu ene bomoden a na bechirim fa kire mra che bedwafie no.
Having listened to the minister, and Mr. Speaker, you recall yourself, you were in this house when the Vodafone SPA sales and purchase agreement was laid before this house in 2008, not necessarily a shareholder agreement. 50% in any sales and purchase agreement, you must have valued 100%. Vodafone Ghana could not just wake up and sell 70% of its shares. Mr. Speaker, it's not argument. In corporate law, how can you sell 70% of what? I'm not satisfied with the answer. But the reference document is not shareholder agreement. It's the SPA which came here. We'll go back to it, Mr. Speaker, and come back.
Onmonya for Haruna Idrusu asante mantem so afo onmonya for Samo Semenza ne sentwofo atwetwe nkomo ne boso me boso dwumadie ya woni sentwofo bon nkomo no ene wo kirem se na esi ka se abandada ne dwumadie awodo a wo ye MPP aban ba ye wonye ho hwe no kura bia danim ne titru pa ne ayasabe awodo wo se bi ni be kwai government hospital Konongo government hospital Fomena government hospital ni nyina da ene sewia ene kumawuni afari homo chemu ade okron de wawie kura ni nyina so akire no agenda 111 no esi abana ni so no ogusuada ya wakonkoden so ede akọ ho onmonyafo Simon Semenza
ayaresa bia hodo obeto ya na ekoso no se bia abana jagua na wonyango ye nyina yehu em se ye ngotwe ene yebobo so ye kan bepa ye wi a ye use ye kan tepa ye wi ye use ye kan Konongo ye wi ye use ya kan Fomena ye wi a wo mu receive ye use wo mu receive patient aka se president be ban officially public commission kuma wu ye wi a ye di fidi nyina gu ya aka wo ye sisi a ye tumi no so de sheda the regional director.
Well, we are here na Asante Mantemu, Director of Health. Dr. Emmanuel Timkrine, and so Eddie Bikawa, which him said a confano chaba ya sabia, a yana and which ran a draw soon, nine nipan baboya pisunti, where you bet me be a da, so bet me at so. Amani Ayasabia would run so, wet to me at a special hospital, Ibi, that to me up one my refer and run bawa, yet to me be so Ediaco.
I think it's our boy in Abeka, we near 32 hospitals, Bashanti region. Because it's phenomenal. A period of 8 years, which we can see 32 hospitals, not even in a country, but in a region like Ashanti. Within this short period. The challenge to see the healthcare delivery system. The facility is being constrained. In terms of workload, any repair. Now, only need that space. If you say, Obia Eba, into strategy, I have found said, we have to decentralize the facility. So that the condition here will be the
Casiano SC. Asante Abo Benedict na esamu for penny ya wono ehye kasebo ekuku Veronica de Jando bet na chirema Kevin so bo adwuma MCR ho hye so sano pe hunam tutu widie mu wo hye ugine mu 21st clinic benuma no de enso a mizo and 5G wo hinini amakrancha does of mami premier ni asantemai ajimi atumu amam di fufuro bapa amisa me na me kenka kasebo ye sorry de o man ye du bo achi de ade achi be adwumedie no ato aso mado wase amwachi
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema